Today I'm going to quickly go over VLANs. So VLAN stands for Virtual Local Area Networks, and this is basically VLAN is a custom network created for one or more existing LANs. Enables groups of devices or multiple devices, both wired and wireless, to be combined into a single logical network. The result that you get from this is a virtual LAN that can be administered like a physical local area network. So in order to create a VLAN, the network equipment that you such as you have your routers, switches, must support VLAN configuration. First of all, that you need to make sure whatever switch or router you buy or network equipment, they need to support that. The hardware that's typically normally configured using a software admin tool that allows the hardware for to create VLANs is normally you can configure it using software and the admin tool that allows network administrators to customize the virtual networks. The admin software can be used to assign individual ports or groups of ports on a switch to a specific VLAN. For example, if you have ports 1 till 10 on a switch number 1 and ports 20 till 30 on switch number 2 could be assigned to the same VLAN. Let's just say you have 3 divisions here in a single building, like you have the finance team, you have the research and development team, and the marketing team. Even if these groups are spread across several locations, with a VLAN, what VLAN will allow you to do, or allows a network administrator to do, you can configure a VLAN can be configured for each department. Let's just say you have one member of the finance team that's sat someplace else physically in the building, away from their team. If he or she is assigned to the finance network on the VLANs, they can access all their information like they normally would securely, and they can rest assured that no one from the marketing team or research development team will be able to access theirs, and vice versa, they can't access the other teams' networks or data. So this type of configuration limits unnecessary access to confidential information and provides an extra level of security on a local area network. So let's talk about VLAN protocols. So you have since the traffic from multiple VLANs may travel over the same physical network, the data has to be mapped to a specific network. This is done using a VLAN protocol called IEEE 802.1q, Cisco's ISL, or 3Com's VLT. Most modern VLANs use the IEEE 802.1q protocol, which inserts an additional header or tag into each Ethernet frame. This tag identifies the LAN to which the sending device belongs, preventing data from being routed to systems outside the virtual network. Data is sent sent between switches using a physical link called a trunk that connects the switches together. Trunking must be enabled in order for one switch to pass VLAN information to another, otherwise you won't be able to do it. There are about 4,904 VLANs that can be created within an Ethernet network using 802.1q protocol, but in most network configuration, only a few VLANs are needed. This is just to organize and, like I said, to add an extra layer of security. Wireless devices can be included in a VLAN, but they must be routed through a wireless router that is connected to the LAN. So thank you for clicking on this video, and this is where a VLAN quickly went over the VLAN basics and the VLAN protocol. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back with another video. Thank you. Bye.